The Samsung Galaxy A58 2027 is here, and honestly, it feels like Samsung is stepping up the mid-range game in a big way. If you're someone who wants premium features without spending flagship-level money, this device might just be your next upgrade. Starting with the design, the Galaxy A58 looks absolutely stunning. Samsung has gone with a sleek glass-like finish on the back, paired with a minimal camera layout that gives it a clean and modern vibe. The phone feels solid in hand, yet surprisingly lightweight, making it perfect for everyday use. It's available in eye-catching colors that truly stand out, especially under light. Now let's talk about the display, and this is where things get really exciting. The A58 comes with a large Super AMOLED display featuring a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, watching YouTube, or gaming, everything feels incredibly smooth and vibrant. Colors pop beautifully, and the brightness is strong enough even under direct sunlight. Performance-wise, the Galaxy A58 doesn't disappoint. Powered by an upgraded chipset, this phone handles multitasking, gaming, and daily apps effortlessly. You can switch between apps smoothly without lag, and even heavy games run with impressive stability. It's clear that Samsung has optimized this device for real-world usage, not just specs on paper. When it comes to cameras, the A58 delivers solid results. The main camera captures sharp and detailed photos, even in low-light conditions. Colors look natural, and HDR performance is quite balanced. The front camera is also great for selfies and video calls, making it perfect for content creators and social media users. While it may not beat flagship cameras, it definitely punches above its price range. Battery life is another strong point. With a large battery packed inside, the Galaxy A58 easily lasts a full day on heavy usage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, you won't have to worry about charging again and again. And when you do need to charge, the fast charging support gets you back up quickly. Software experience is smooth and user-friendly, thanks to Samsung's latest UI. You get useful features, customization options, and regular updates, which is always a big plus. Everything feels polished and easy to use, even for beginners. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A58 worth it? Absolutely. It offers a perfect balance of design, performance, camera, and battery life, all at a competitive price point. This is a phone built for users who want reliability, style, and power without breaking the bank. If you're planning to upgrade in 2027, the Galaxy A58 should definitely be on your list. It's not just another mid-range phone, it's a smart choice.